Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creator Bee and welcome to my channel. So today I'm reviewing a product called PowerPoint Profits. Now this is not for KDP. I'm just going to put it straight out there. This is aimed at people that want to sell to customers that are either teachers, educators or people that do the homeschooling and are looking for early learning curriculum, things that are a bit more fun, like interactive quizzes and poems and stories. So what it basically is, it's all been created using PowerPoint. That's what's made it interactive. And front end during the launch period is $14.95 and there it's got 15 plus games. So this is the sales page. I suggest you come and check it out. There's a video for you to watch that talks about the education and entertainment niche. It tells you about these 15 plus high quality editable PowerPoint games. I'll show you a couple of those that I've downloaded and played with. There's 100 plus stories and 150 plus stories and 150 plus poems. This sales page, not actual sales page, but sales page information that you can create a sales page if you are selling as a one-to-one product directly, rather than say selling on a platform like Teachers Take Teachers or Etsy or Tez. There's email landing page contents, there's quizzes, mazes, there's training, educational content, and there's other additional bonuses to help you. Now, they show this where it's showing you as a web page, but there isn't anything in the training that shows you how to create that. But my bonus for this, if you buy it through my link, and I've done it for the first front end thing, so if all you buy is the front end, you get that training because I feel that it's helpful. So what it is, it basically makes it so it becomes a web page where you can basically drag and drop on a web page, and it becomes a web object that needs to be put on a web page, should I say, or it can be a SQL file. And SQL files are what e-learning platforms use. The likelihood of you being using a SQL file is probably legible. It's basically for people that create like Moodle e-learning platforms. It's more in the education sector. So I am thinking that if you provided both of those two files and the PowerPoint file to your audience, you are opening up wider. So hence the reason that I've done that, because I know when I've had to create e-learning content when I worked in schools, we had to convert them to SQL files. So I'll show you how to go about doing that using free software. The only issue is that it's only available on Windows, and you can do it if you're running Bootcamp and Parallels and you have PowerPoint that's running on those and not the PowerPoint that you access on the web browser, because that doesn't work, because it actually adds like an extra plugin to your PowerPoint, so it does that. So again, this is the sales page. Go and check it out. So I wanted to actually show you inside, and I'll also show you the PowerPoint. So that is Craig Crawford. I've actually known Craig for a number of years. He doesn't live too far, probably an hour's drive from me. I don't know Amy Lance, so I've no idea. And then there's a welcome video, and then you get into the first lot of the PowerPoint Profits. And this is what you get on the front end. The first package that you'll see here is where you can come in and you can download all the different activities, the gaming activities, and then these books, poems and quizzes. So this is one of the books, poems and quizzes that you can get. This is the file. It comes with 10 multiple choice questions, 10 poems and 10 stories for you to do different things. So I've also downloaded a couple of these quizzes. So this is it, showing you working on Mac PowerPoint. And basically what happens is there's all these things like set up, but if you run the slideshow, so if I go to slideshow and I go play from start, now I know it's gone a bit big, but it goes spotted jeans, speckled face. So I've got to click the first one, and it'll do the how many I've got to get. So if I go for one that's wrong, it'll tell me something like that. So I'm just going to escape from that. So that's how that plays. And you'll see that there's all the information at the side with how things have been created. So you can go in and see how it's done. Because there are in the other OTOs, like there's an upsell that's $14.95 where you can get to buy the master reseller rights. And the master reseller rights is where you can actually sell this as if it was your own product to other marketers. And then OTO 1 is an expansion pack. So there's basically more of these. So this is OTO 1. So there's more products that you can download, test, more books, more games and things like that. So that is $19.95. And then there is a monthly VIP that's $9.95. There's also a downsell which allows you to get it for a $1 trial. I don't know how long that $1 trial is. It doesn't state on any of the information I've got. And then it goes to $9.95. Whether that's a 7-day trial, I don't know. But that is there. So that you get that here. I don't think there was anything there when I was checking it. So you'll see more coming. So there is a few things there. And again, it mentions selling on Etsy, but it's a document to go through. It's not over the shoulder training. And then there's the Playful Profits training, which is this here, the sales training. I went through this. This is pretty good if you plan on like doing affiliate marketing and things like that and selling it as your own product, not on a platform like Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers. If you are just planning on doing it on Teachers Pay Teachers or Etsy, then this might not necessarily be for you, but it's quite good to see all the different things that you might need, but it's not necessary in my opinion unless you decide you're going to sell it through your own website. Then it might be helpful. And it was pretty good training. There was quite a bit there. And then the next one was Power Up with the Art of Upselling. So I think this again is this one here. So, and I think it was that original video there, and then some documents to go through about how to upsell. And then the next one is OTO 5, which is this Canvas Craft members. And basically it's big AI images. It's all sorts of images that you can use to put on your quizzes, your PowerPoints, all your different products, and they're pretty good. I don't think I've seen some that are that good a quality before. So I was quite impressed, because I find a lot of people use AI but they don't tidy it up. They have odd things, but I can't see anything that's odd with that. So I was quite impressed. It's an upsell, a quick upsell of $19 to have the double up, to have more of those Canvas craft. Then there was all this training in here as well. This was quite a good interview with the Kindle King. He actually talks about creating business books that are profit losses, really, because it's like a funnel to get people into your business funnel. Then he talks about turning stories into TV channels. Now, Craig's big thing, and it has been for a long time, has been creating your own TV channels for digital channels. So TV Boss. I've never done it, but I know that's been his biggest thing. Then there's some training lives, ChatGPT, basic mini course, a masterclass, an animations playbook, and time management. And then there was some bonuses as well. So that is inside. Now I did test it on Google Slide, and it doesn't, it brings all the images and everything on, but it seems to have issues recognizing some of the coding that is in there. So when I played it, let me just slideshow. So this has gone big again, I know, so you're not seeing. It tells me that things are wrong when I know it's right, and it sort of moves. So it would need some work on it. So that is PowerPoint Profit. If you're interested in purchasing, my link is down below, but I wanted to give you the full picture. I personally think if you have got an audience that is early learning, the front end is definitely a pretty decent purchase, and maybe you know, adding on a bit more of them, but that's what I think. So the link will be down below this video.